The micover windscreens, and they tell you how to put them on, and you get 8 in a pack along with some other stuff, plenty of sticky labels, and this is the way it looks. Makes my GoPro kind of look like an old man with hairy ears or something. But there's actually 3 mics on the GoPro. Works pretty well. I'll give you a little sample. So far so good. We'll take it out running soon. So as I look at the front, this is blowing on the battery door. And this is still in wind mode, blowing on the bottom. Blowing on the bottom. And this will be blowing on the left side as I look at it. Alright, so this is with the little felt things, the wind socks on there. These are the stickers, so I'm going to blow on the different sides here. This is the side, right side. This is the bottom. Alright, so it's a little bit of a windy day, and this is the normal audio mode. Okay, this is wind mode in the GoPro Hero 5, wind mode. Alright, and this is with the little windscreens on, and I actually waited for the wind to pick up a little bit so that I'd get a true test. This is with the windscreens, the GoPro Hero 5. That's a gust of wind right there. Wow, that's actually the strongest wind I've had the whole time. We'll see how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. So I did all that recording with the GoPro and the windscreens that came in. I wanted to go ahead and bring out my DJI Osmo with the full out dead cat on top of the Rode Video Micro and see how it does in the wind in a direct head-to-head comparison. So this is with the Rode Video Micro with the dead cat on a windy day.